Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at the Ventop dash cam H612T. This one is a 4K dash cam. It mounted to your mirrors, and we're going to open up the box and we're going to look at it, what is inside the package. After we've done that, then we're going to show you how to install it. Alright, so this is a 4K dash cam. It got a Sony sensor, super night vision, so you can do 4K and 1080. So 4K from the front, 1080 from the rear, or you can do 2K, 2K, 2K from the front, 2K from the rear, or you can do 1080p from the front and 4K from the rear. And it is also a full touchscreen, 12-inch full touchscreen. It is more than a standard dash cam. It's also a hand-free control with voice command. Alright, so we're going to look at it. We're going to open up the package. I definitely need to get myself a pocket knife or something to cut these packages when I am unboxing these stuff. Overall, these are very nice dash cam. I have one of them, but I had it for like a year and a half before they were damaged. Like, I dropped it multiple times, and the mirrors just got disconnected from the mount, so it's no longer work. This is the second one that I bought, and it is currently on sale right now at Best Buy for $100. The retail price is $200. So very nice packaging. You have this right here, and I'll open this up like that. See how it's very simple package. You got your foam right there, and you have your Ventop right here. Pop this open right here. So basically you put this aside, and you have your Ventop right here. Look how beautiful this dash cam is. So this is how it mounts. So you will have, inside the accessory, you will have a string to attach from here all the way to here. Same thing here and here. And this is your camera right here. And on the top, you have your GPS, your micro SD, and your review cameras and your powers. On the bottom, you have your power switch right here, turn on and off the display, but the camera will still record. So that is, keep that in mind. Alright, so next up we're going to look at is the accessory that is inside the box. First, you got your apply tools right here. These are your apply tool, and the one that's like I was telling to you guys about is the strap band right here. You strap from the rear of your mirrors. Just go around it, and that will hold your dash cam. And you also got your wipes, and you got your apply tool to hide all your wires from your panels. And over here you have your cigarette lighters that is power your dash cam right here. And over here, this is your GPS right here that is connected to the top. And you got your 3M tape. And last but not least, this is your rear view cameras right here. This rear view cameras, you can also connect it when you put your car into reverse. And that will also show you the reverse onto your mirror as well. In order to do that, you're going to have to wire this red one to your original reverse mirror, to your reverse cameras, or otherwise it will not work. And last but not least, you have your owner manual. It will tell you what to do. It will tell you all the features that you need to know. Go ahead and look through them if you ever decided to get one of these. These are really amazing dash cam. I own one of them and I do not regret it. Alright guys, so that's all that I have for you guys for unboxing. The next step that we're going to do is to show you guys how to install it onto your car/truck. Alright, stay tuned for that next one.